Hello everyone, welcome to the next video in the Android series, that is the custom alert dialog. So in the previous video, as we have seen, is we have created an alert dialog that was just one simple one, and the second one was with the button and the icon. But sometimes that is not the requirement of the user. That we have to do is sometimes we need to create such custom dialog boxes, and in that we can do many things. We can take input from the user or just show a message to the user. There can be many things that can be done from that particular point of view. So if you want to create some custom alert dialog box, so we can see we will create our own custom dialog box and we will implement that into our code. So if we move to the code, and this was the last code that we had created, right? Now what we want is, whenever what we will do now over here is where we will implement this. So if the username is wrong, so here currently what we have done is we have set an error and we have set the focus. That is completely fine. For just to implement the part that the user name is wrong, what we will do is we will create a custom dialog box. Now to create the custom dialog box, what we will have to do is we have to create a new user interface for that. So we will go to layout, new, and layout resource. Here we will write custom error, change the root element to relative layout and click on OK. So here we have split and here we can see. So what we will do is, and first of all what we will do over here is we will change the gravity to center. We want the code that we will write to be at the center, right? Now next is we will add one icon over here. So we will write image view. The width will be 100 dp, the height will be 100 dp. We will close that tag. We will add the source, the error which we had already entered, right? We will give this an id, that error underscore icon, right? Below that we will add one text view. Inside the text view, the match parent, the height will be wrap content. Here we will give error underscore message, and that will be below the icon, right? And you will just sample give a message, and the message should be at the center. So text alignment will be center. You will give some padding to it, that is of 5 dp, not much, right? And the image should also be at the center. Currently the image is at the left. Now we will take it to the center horizontal true. So now it is at the center. We will text size, we will increase it a bit. Okay, so now that is good. Okay, so this is the title and this is the icon and this is the message. Now what we will do is we will change the background color of it. So here we will change the background color Android, and from that we will take gray. So we have changed, change it to blue. Okay, we have changed the background color, we have changed. Now we will change the text color also. So text color also we will change it to red. Android color red. Let's check with black. Let's check with white. We'll change it to red. We will change the background color to yellow. orange shading. This is better. So now we have created a custom error over here. Right now we go to main activity. Over here, what we will do is we will create alert dialog as we created previously. We will create the alert dialog dot builder equal to alert dialog dot builder main activity dot this. Okay. Now next, as already we have one layout over here, we cannot create another layout directly. So to add another layout, we will add layout inflator. Inflator is equal to get layout inflator. So what we are doing is we are adding a new layout over here from the middle, and this layout will be as a view type, because whenever we have something as a view. So inflator dot inflate. Now we want to get, now we will show which file we want to give over here. So r dot layout, and from the layout we will give custom error, and it should not be in the null directory, right? So we have, so what we have done is we have created the builder, we have created the layout, we have linked the layout to the view. Now the next part that we have to do is we have to tell that the builder has one view inside it, and that will be this view. Okay, so this is what we have done, and the next would be alert dialog, just the alert dialog. The alert dialog this alert dialog will be linked with this builder. So we need to create this, right? And using this dialog we will show, right? And after that, if we want to link, so we have one image view that is error underscore icon is equal to view dot find view by id. So error icon text view. If you want to change the text according to how we want, error underscore message view one dot find view by id. So error underscore message. So if you want to change the icon, or if you want to change the message during the runtime, then we can easily do that. Okay. And next is, if you want, in this custom error, if you want to add any button relate, so that we display to the user that close. So we will add one button over here also, error underscore button. It will be below message. The text inside it will be close, and it will also be at the center, and the margin from the top will be 10 dp, so that it gives some gap. Okay, so here we have given a close button, and we can even link this close button over here. Button error underscore close button is equal to view one and view by id error underscore button. Now we can even make this button clickable. Is this on click listener, new on click listener as we did. So we need to move this alert dialog at the top. We'll move that at the top because that will only be required. Now we will write dialog dot dismiss. So we can even close the dialog box with the help of this button, right? So we have created, so to implement this, we have created a new UI. From that new UI, we have created one alert dialog. We have added one layout inflator. We had added the view inside this we have linked basically the file from the view, and we have told the builder that this will be the view inside your alert dialog. And after that, we have created one more alert dialog. We have linked with the help of view, and if we click on the button, then it should dismiss and it should show. Now let's see the output of this. Now we run the file. Okay, so when we will get that particular error is if we don't write the username, right? So here what we will do is, without writing anything, we will just click on login. As we can see, we have clicked on login, so we have got this custom error, that is this cross and the error message and close. So what we will do over here is, inside the message we will add some message. So error underscore message dot set text, please enter valid username. Okay, and we again run the application. Right, so without writing anything, we will click over here. As we can see, please enter valid username. It has been generated during the runtime from the code. The symbol is there, the message is there, and the close button. As we click on the close button, the pop-up will close, and we are again back over here. So that's all from this video. Thank you.